In class 5, today we will start our new chapter called Decimal, exercise 7.1 decimal. We have now talking further. Let me do the sums for you. Okay, question is write the following numbers in expanded form. Now to write the number in expanded form, let's see what to do. First, I will explain you the place value, how in decimal it is written. If I write 489.36, then place value will be 489 decimal point. Then 3, it is 3/10th, and 6 is 100th, 1000. Like this we move on in decimals. In decimals there is no ones, it is tens, hundreds, thousand. If I write it in expand form, it will be 480 plus 9 for decimal point. As it is 3, so 3 by 10, and 6 by 100. If I write it in other form, it will be 400 plus 80 plus 9 plus, as it is 3/10 means 0.3 plus 0.06. So this will be the expand form of decimal. Now let's start our chapter. Exercise 2.3. Now 2.3 I will write either as I showed you 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100, as this is 10th and this is 100th place, or we can write it 0.23 plus 0.03. I showed you why 0.03. As it is 100th place, there are 2 zeros, 1 6, so there have to be 2 numbers. So 0, 1 0 and then 6, it will make 2 numbers, so 0.03. Next, C, 4.75. Here 4.75 we can write it in this 4 plus 7 by 100 plus 5 by 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100, or 4 plus 0.7 plus 0.05. Okay, let's do the next. 19.084. So for 19, 10 plus 9 plus, here 0, so I don't have to write 0 by 10. Okay, it is in hundreds place, so 8 by 100, 4, 8 by 1000, or 10 plus 9, 8 by 100, 2 0, so 0.08 plus 1 minute 0.04. Next, 0.004, 0 0 plus 123, 0.123, so 4.123, or 0 plus 0.004. This will be the answer. Now how this is working, we can find it in the next chapter. So let's do 7.2 also. 7.2, it is telling write the following fractions as decimal numbers. So let's do. Here 3 by 10. 3 by 10 we can write it simply. How it is coming? 10. With 10 3 cannot work, so 0. 10, 3 will not work. Look, I am doing it for you. 3, it will not work. 0.0. Then 3, 30, answer. This is how this 0.3 is coming. This is how in those places also. The easiest way to understand is that when a number, if there are 3 by 10, how many zeros are there? 1. So when we divide, for 1 we count 1, and after 1, as 1 0 is there, we can put, after 1 counting, we can put point, because in changing decimal, for 0 1 number is counted. So here you have 1 0, so 1 3, so 0.3 we can write. This is how you got it. Next, 2 0, so 2 5. 0.0. 100, how? 100 2, 0. 25 is not point, 0 I will give. Okay, so now to 200. Subtracting, I got 50. After giving point, I can add zeros as many times I can. So I will add 1 0 and I will write 500 and so 0.25. Let's do the next one. This I have taken off 1000, 28 by 1000. 28 divided by 1000, again 1, 2. There are 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 more 0, 3.0. This can be the simplest answer, or 1000. Only 28 is there, it cannot be divided, so I gave 0, and after giving point I gave 2 zeros. I can give as many zeros, so 2 zeros. First 0 I gave, it didn't work, so second 0 again I gave as many 0, 2000. Okay, 8 and 0, as many 0 I can add, so 0, 8, thousands are 8000. Once again, 1000 divided by 28, this is the number, I cannot divide, so I give 0 here and put a point and put 1 0. Still it's not working, see. So I gave here 1 0 and make 1 to one more place, so that this number is getting as more numbers as we have in the divisor. Okay, 1000, so you have also 28,100, 2800, so 2 into 1000, 2000 written. Subtraction, 800. So as I have already given 0 point, I can add one more 0 and I am writing 8000 cross. So the answer is, or the easiest way we can understand, 1, 2, 3. I have two number, 1, 2. One more number I want, so 0. Then I will put point, so 0.028 can be written. Next, next 100. Here also 2, 2, so 1.95. How? 100. 0.95 I have got 0.0900. 5, 50, 100. So 500. The answer is here. Next, fraction. 1.3 by 100 multiply 100. How I got it? I told you. Now, if I divide it with 100, point 100, point as already given, 300, 0, first 0, didn't work, second 0, 300, got the answer. Again, 100 divided 103, 100 I got. I brought down 0 and 3, it's not working. Point, I can give 1 0, not working, so I have one more 0, I gave one more 0. Then 300, so 1.03, or easiest way, 0, 0, 2 0, so 20.1, as I change it into fraction. Next, this one only 1 0, so 14.9. After 0, 1 count 1 and we put 9, or you can do the division in this form. Same here, 2000, so 1 2 3, I am counting 1 2 3, I am putting here. Otherwise you can see it in that way only, 26002 by 100, best phone shesh amar. হ্যাঁ মা কি করে পাঠাবো আমি জানি না, কালকে কি হবে আমি জানি না। 002, so here point I am putting 1 0, not working, 0 0 0 0, then I will write 2 and I can write 2 0 0 0. So this is the answer. Hey Bhagwan, tu jodi achish bacha. 0.3, 3 by 10, because as I told you 1 0 is here, 1 is here, so I can, for point 3 I can write 10 because if I move this one, I will put 1, and for one number I will put 0. Next, 0.002, as there are two number after point, so 100, and for this one, 2 by 100. Point I am removing, so 3. Next, 1, 2, 3, 1000. If I remove, I get this one. Next, 3.4. If I divide it with 100, this is 100, okay? 300 point. Will not put. I got 300 because it is already in point, so I will not put point here. 3, done. Now remainder is 4, divisor is 100. I can cut 4. 4 ones are 4, 25. So answer will be 3, 1 by 25 answer. As it is divisible, 4 is divisible by 25, and I can get 100 is multiple of 4. 425 is so 1 by 25. Next, 4.30. For 0 I am removing, I am putting 100, dividing 400, 400. So the answer will be 430 by 100. 1 0 I am cutting here, 1 0 I am cutting here, I am getting 3 by 10, 3 by 10 answer. Next, 2, so 100, dividing by 100, 100, 3, 8, 3, 300, 83 I got, so 83 by 100 answer.